Bologna guys, my name is Olsen J Sefo and I'm from Sweet Sensation. Talking about preparation, I think the team Sweet Sensation, we are ready. We are ready to be on stage and we're coming up with different genres and hoping for everyone to enjoy our music. This Saturday for Sweet Sensation, we coming up with different genres. We're coming up with like rock, roots reggae, R&B, Afro, and I hope you love the music. Also, we will be playing some Wunde numbers as well, because that's our roots, so we will never forget that. It's an honor, and also we are blessed to be part of the CFL Gratitude Concert, because CFL have been pushing a lot of local music out there in the radio stations. And also we'll be playing on stage with a lot of famous local artists, and it's an honor and we are blessed to be on stage with them. Thank you.
Thank you.